Samsung is not only revising the camera ring design on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but it may also be reconsidering its material choices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra previously featured the recognizable vinyl record-style camera rings with a ridged, textured finish around each sensor, which drew mixed reactions. According to a fresh leak from reliable Samsung tipster Ice Universe, who says he has seen the real device, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is dropping the vinyl-style camera rings in favor of a more refined and premium-looking design. For several generations, Samsung's Ultra models have been defined by their individual floating camera lenses. While this approach became a strong visual identity, the textured Saturn-style rings were often criticized for feeling less premium and somewhat plastic-like. On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, these textured concentric circles are reportedly being replaced with smooth, polished metal camera rings. This cleaner, minimalist look is already being compared to the metal rings used on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. In addition to the camera changes, Ice Universe also raised another important question in a recent tweet. He asked whether users would accept the Galaxy S26 Ultra removing the titanium middle frame, similar to Apple's approach, and switching back to an aluminum alloy frame instead. This suggests that Samsung may be evaluating both design aesthetics and material choices for the S26 Ultra, potentially prioritizing balance, cost, or durability over titanium branding. According to Ice Universe, the 4 basic color names for the Galaxy S26 Ultra are Black Shadow, White Shadow, Galactical Blue, and Ultraviolet. What's interesting here isn't just the names themselves, it's what's missing. Samsung has dropped the titanium branding entirely. That strongly suggests a shift in material strategy, or at the very least, a new marketing direction. Samsung clearly wants the S26 Ultra to feel different, not just upgraded. Next, the S Pen. And this is a detail many people missed. Ice Universe confirmed that the S26 Ultra adopts an asymmetrical arc-shaped S Pen, matching renders he shared months ago. This isn't just a cosmetic tweak. It hints at internal layout changes, better ergonomics, and possibly improved balance when using the pen for long sessions. And now, the pricing, which might be the most surprising part. Another leak claims the Galaxy S26 series starts at $799 for the S26, $999 for the S26 Plus, and $1,299 for the S26 Ultra. Even more interesting, all models reportedly come with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage by default. The leaker suggests this price freeze wouldn't be possible without Samsung using Exynos in some regions, which could explain how Samsung is holding the line on pricing despite rising costs. Put all of this together, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a calculated move. Refined design choices, subtle hardware changes, and aggressive pricing strategy. Whether Samsung gets it right or not, that's where the real debate begins. So, we finally have our first official look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this time, it's not just coming from one place. This exact S26 Ultra display front display view video was also shared by Ice Universe, who reacted to it by saying, "Wow, this is the first time the S26 Ultra has been revealed to us. Official rendering." That's a big statement coming from one of Samsung's most reliable insiders. On top of that, Tipster CID shared the same display and described it as S26 Ultra Privacy Display. According to him, no other phone has this, especially when combined with Samsung's anti-reflective coating. And honestly, that combination alone already sets the S26 Ultra apart. Now, let's break down what we're actually seeing. This right here is the front of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is not a random animation or a fan-made concept. It comes directly from Samsung itself, through the One UI 8.5 firmware, which makes this leak far more credible. The most noticeable change is the punch-hole camera, which is clearly larger than previous Ultra models. From a pure design perspective, that's not exactly ideal. Visually, it does feel like a slight step back, but there's a solid reason behind it. Samsung is making the selfie camera wider, increasing the field of view from 80° to 85°. That extra coverage is precisely why the punch hole had to grow. And just to be clear, the image shown here is only a reference to demonstrate the difference. It is not an actual camera sample. Looking closer, the bezels appear slightly thinner compared to the S25 Ultra. The corners are more rounded, giving the phone a softer and more refined look. You can also spot the curved finish on the S Pen clicker end, which lines up perfectly with earlier CAD leaks. Samsung has also softened the frame edges, which should make the S26 Ultra noticeably more comfortable to hold in daily use. The unit shown here appears to be the silver variant, with Samsung expected to offer additional colors, including purple and black. Right now, it is still unclear whether the leak design is real, fake, or only partially accurate, but the debate around it has intensified over the past few days. The situation escalated when OnLeaks shared a tweet containing a video that allegedly showed exact dummy units of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The video quickly spread across the leak community and sparked mixed reactions. Shortly after, tipster Unvats33RE shared the same content and raised a direct question: Galaxy S26 Ultra design. Upgrade or downgrade? This single line pushed the discussion even further. Not long after that, Tipster CID also shared the same dummy-based leak, calling it a breaking Galaxy S26 Ultra dummy's first look and questioning whether the device looks more premium than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. At this point, many people began treating the design as nearly confirmed. However, the narrative changed completely when Samsung's biggest and most trusted leaker, Ice Universe, stepped in. Ice publicly dismissed all these leaks, claiming that everything being shared about the Galaxy S26 Ultra design is fake. He went as far as saying that the design shown in the dummy units is completely false. To back his confidence, Ice Universe made a bold statement. If he turns out to be wrong, he would delete his X account. Beyond the design controversy, Ice Universe also shared another important update based on Korean media reports. According to these reports, Samsung has decided not to increase prices for the Galaxy S26 series, as well as the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Flip 8. The Galaxy S26 series is expected to be unveiled on February 25 in San Francisco, with official sales starting in early March. Meanwhile, another interesting detail emerged from the same dummy unit video. Tipster Anthony took a close-up screenshot of the bottom side of the device, where the S Pen slot is visible. According to him, Samsung appears to be pushing the S Pen as close to the edge as possible, potentially to free up more internal space inside the phone. So for now, the Galaxy S26 Ultra design remains unconfirmed. On one side, multiple leakers are sharing dummy units and calling it a first look. On the other, Samsung's most reliable source is firmly calling everything fake. Until Samsung speaks officially, this controversy is far from over. Ice Universe publicly stated that the alleged S26 Ultra images contained multiple technical mistakes. He pointed out issues in antenna placement, button positioning, and even internal camera structure alignment, arguing that Samsung would never approve such a design. Despite this, the users who posted the images continued to insist that the photos were authentic and taken from a real Galaxy S26 Ultra prototype. That's when the situation escalated. Ice Universe proposed a public and irreversible challenge. He stated clearly that if the images turned out to be real after Samsung officially launches the Galaxy S26 Ultra, he would permanently delete his X account. On the other hand, if the images were proven fake, the users who posted them would be required to delete their accounts instead. He emphasized that this bet would only be settled once Samsung officially reveals the device. Soon after, the users involved, including Phone Futurist and Spygo 19726, openly accepted the challenge. They confirmed their agreement in public posts, stating that they stood by their claim that the images were genuine. Screenshots of these confirmations quickly spread, turning the situation into a widely monitored standoff within the tech community. Weeks later, Ice Universe revisited the controversy with another tweet to make sure the challenge wouldn't be forgotten. He reminded everyone that this bet was still active and urged followers to keep watching closely so the outcome couldn't be ignored or quietly dismissed. He restated that the images were fake and that accountability mattered. Finally, Ice Universe doubled down with his strongest statement yet. He said that if he is wrong, he will cancel his account. No excuses, no delays. According to him, this is not about ego, but about stopping misinformation and protecting credibility in the leak space. He made it clear that he is willing to risk everything he has built over the years to stand by his analysis. Now, the entire tech world is waiting for one moment: Samsung's official Galaxy S26 Ultra launch. Only then will it be clear who was right, who was wrong, and whose account disappears forever. Until that reveal, this controversy remains one of the boldest design disputes Samsung leaks have ever seen. According to a recent report from The Bell, shared from Korea through Sammy Guru, Samsung is facing increasing difficulty in cutting costs as prices of essential components continue to rise. Semiconductors remain the main source of pressure, quietly increasing production expenses and turning pricing decisions into a serious challenge. This issue goes beyond chips alone. Higher component costs, combined with stronger competition, have also pushed labor and marketing expenses higher than in previous years. As a result, Samsung is under growing financial strain, making it harder to set prices that feel reasonable to consumers while still maintaining healthy profit margins. Adding to this uncertainty, the Galaxy S26 series is reportedly facing a slight delay. The announcement is now expected in February, a change believed to be connected to the return of the Galaxy S26 Plus, and ongoing uncertainty around final pricing decisions. At the same time, Samsung is dealing with losses in other areas. Reports indicate that the company is selling its Galaxy Z Fold devices at a loss, a situation it cannot afford to repeat with its main flagship lineup. Unlike experimental foldables, the Galaxy S series is expected to remain consistently profitable, and this reality is making pricing choices even more complicated. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.